Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about Medik8. So they have a ton of different skincare that I'll be unboxing today. So this first one is their Night Ritual Vitamin A Moisturizing Cream. So it has retinol, vitamin A. It's to help reduce the appearance of skin aging and different stuff like that. Ooh, super nice packaging over here. Here's the cream. Oh, it smells good. Usually creams like this that have like retinol or like, you know, vitamin A and different stuff like that don't smell too good, and I like, they're beneficial, but I like that this one smells good actually. Wow, that's like surprising. Second product we have over here is their Advanced Night Eye Cream. This one has vitamin C instead of vitamin A and comes with a little scoopy thing. Once again, beautifully packaged just like the other one. Now I gotta smell this one too. This is kind of a non-scent actually. Better than a bad scent. So that's good. This is for the eye area. So after cleansing, just use the spatula to apply the night eye around the eye area. This allows for a lighter touch versus like a hard like hand, which is why they give you this little spatula. Next we have their C Tetra, which is a lipid vitamin C Radiance cream. And the instructions are to use after your cleansing in the morning and massage 6 drops of this into your face and your neck, and then leaving it to absorb before applying your moisturizer. So this is basically purely just vitamin C drops, which will help with like facial radiance, making it brighter and healthier. Finally, we have their Advanced Night Ceramide serum. I'm assuming it's also just a cream. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Ooh, yo, yes, that smells really nice as well. So love it, love it, love it. So this is their signature night cream. So this is basically after cleansing in the evening, use this. Oh, it comes with a spatula as well. Where'd it go? Oh, right here. Everything comes with little spatulas. So this is a little bigger spatula, but also is the same thing. So using the spatula, apply it where it says to the face, neck, avoiding the eye area. So basically they have all sorts of different creams, as I said, but of course as well skincare too. Whatever it is that you need, whatever it is that you feel like your skin needs to be treated, they have an option for you. It's called Medik8 because they basically bring like medical and scientific skincare, but make it affordable. That's a lot of like the moisturizing aspect of the Medik8 line. If you want to purchase it, check out the link below. Just see all their other products as well. If you want to see more unboxings, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.